Beit Lahia or Beit Lahia is a city in the Gaza Strip north of Jabalia, near Beit Hano and the 1949 armistice line with Israel. According to the Palestinian Central Bureau of Statistics, the city had a population of 59,540 in mid-year 2006. Hamas political party is still administering the city, together with the entire Gaza Strip, after winning the 2005 municipal elections. The word Lahia is Syriac and means desert or fatigue. It is surrounded by sand dunes. Some rise to 55 meters above sea level. The area is renowned for its many large sycamore fig trees. The city is known for its fresh, sweet water, berries and citrus trees. According to Edward Henry Palmer, Lahia was from Lahi, a personal name. Beit Lahia has an ancient hill and nearby lay abandoned village ruins. It has been suggested that it was Beit Lahia, hometown of Solomon, where there was a temple. Ceramics from the Byzantine period have been found. A mihrab, or mosque alcove indicating the direction of Salah, is all that remains of an ancient mosque to the west of Beit Lahia dating to the end of the Fatimid period and beginning of the Ayyubid dynasty of Saladin, and two other mosques dating to the Ottoman period. Yaqut al-Hamawi described Beit Lahia as being located near Gaza, and he further noted that it is a village with many fruit trees. A marble slab, deposited in the Maqam of Salim Abu Musallam in Beit Lahia, is inscribed in late Mamluk Naskhi letters. It is an epitaph over four sons of the governor of Gaza, Aqbay al-Ashrafi, who all died in the month of Rajab 897. It is assumed that the children died of the plague, described by Mujir al-Din, which ravaged Palestine in 1491–2. In 1517, the village was incorporated into the Ottoman Empire with the rest of Palestine. And in 1596, Beit Lahia appeared in Ottoman tax registers as being in Nahia of Gaza under the Gaza Sanjak. It had a population of 70 Muslim households and paid a fixed tax rate of 25% on various agricultural products, including wheat, barley, summer crops, vineyards, fruit trees, goats and or beehives. In 1838, Edward Robinson noted Beit Lahia as a Muslim village, located in the Gaza district. In May 1863, Victor Guerin visited the village. He described it as peopled by 250 inhabitants. It occupies an oblong valley, well cultivated, and surrounded by high sand dunes, which cause a great heat. It is a little oasis, incessantly menaced by moving sand hills, which surround it on every side, and would engulf it were it not for the continued struggle of man to arrest their progress. An Ottoman village list from about 1870 showed that Beit Lahia had a population of 394, with a total of 118 houses, though the population count included men only. In 1883, the PEF survey of Western Palestine described it as a small village with fine gardens and groves of large and ancient olives in the middle of the sand. It has a well to the south. There is a small mosque in the village. In the 1922 census of Palestine, conducted by the British Mandate authorities, Beit Lahia had a population of 871 inhabitants, all Muslims, increasing by the 1931 census to 1,133. Still all Muslim, in 223 houses. In the 1945 statistics, the population of Beit Lahia consisted of 1,700 Muslims and the land area was 38,376 dungs, according to an official land and population survey. Of this, 134 dungs were designated for citrus and bananas, 1,765 for plantations and irrigable land, 15,185 for cereals, while 18 dungs were built-up areas. On the 4th of January 2005, 7 civilian residents of Beit Lahia, including 6 members of the same family, were killed, with the incident blamed on shelling by Israel Defense Forces of the agricultural area where they were working. On the 9th of June 2006, 8 civilians were killed by IDF shells, while picnicking on the northern Gazan beach in Beit Lahia. The dead included 7 members of the Ali Ghalia family. The IDF disputed they were responsible. The town is a frequent target of airstrikes by Israel and has been a battlefield between Israel and Hamas. The Ibrahim al-Makadna Mosque was hit by Israeli missiles in 2009, resulting in 13 deaths. Massacre of Ibrahim al-Makadma Mosque occurred on 3 January 2009 as part of the 2008-2009 Israel-Gaza war when an Israeli missile hit the Ibrahim al-Makadna Mosque in the Gaza Strip during the evening prayers. Witnesses said over 200 Palestinians were praying inside at the time. At least 14 people, including 6 children, were killed, and many more than 60 wounded.